Today I'm going to show you a feature exclusive to our Sailrite WorkerB Power Pack. Have you ever been sewing any applications that varied in thickness and your machine is slowed down, so you have to apply more force to the pedal to sew through? With our system, the machine will automatically boost power when needed to maintain your speed. Kind of like your car's cruise control. You set your speed, you're going along, you encounter a hill, your car sees that resistance, applies more power, allows you to maintain your speed and get you over that hill. And here we're going to demonstrate this. So I'm going to have a fixed speed. And here I'm going to apply some resistance. As you can hear, the machine is boosting its power, adding more torque to maintain your speed. And you won't find this feature available on any other machine. It really sets it apart from the rest. We've also linked a video below called 5 Reasons Why You Need an Ultrafeed if you would like to learn more about the Ultrafeed. So be sure to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the latest videos.